Hello everyone, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories, and I'm super excited to share with you our school yoga program course, because what we've noticed over the years is there isn't a one size fits all when it comes to school yoga because of your unique needs and preferences of your school community. And what we've noticed is that there's three kind of groups that we've been working with in our community. The first group of people have no experience with yoga and mindfulness. They know the benefits, they want to get started, but they just don't know where to start. The second group of people we've been working with have some experience with yoga and mindfulness. They have maybe their own practice, but it's not consistent. They have some training, but they just feel overwhelmed of where to start. And the third group of people have lots of experience. They have a solid practice themselves. They have lots of training, but they just don't know how to implement it school-wide. So I'm curious if you find yourself in one of those, and if you does sound familiar, you're definitely in the right place. And if you're not familiar with us at Kids Yoga Stories, I'm Giselle. I'm a former international primary school teacher. I taught in several countries for 10 years, and then I did my yoga teacher training 16 years ago. And Kids Yoga Stories for me is about bringing my two passions together. And for the past decade, I've been helping grown-ups teach yoga and mindfulness to children in a fun and meaningful way that really sticks. And so let's look at what's inside this school yoga program to see if it's a good fit for you. So when we surveyed our audience, I'll back up, right? So we survey our audience regularly, our community, and we asked our 100,000 people in our community really what's stopping them from putting their school yoga programs together. And what we heard time and time again, there were similar obstacles that kept coming up. Obstacles like buy-in. They didn't know how to get buy-in from the students or the parents or the school leadership. They had logistical issues of timing or scheduling or space. They had issues of funding. They didn't have any money. They didn't know how much the budget could be and what some funding options are. Right? So this program looks at all of those obstacles step by step to bust those obstacles for you with creative solutions. So how it's designed is we have three main modules, and there's three sections under each module, busting through each of these obstacles. And then a fourth module where we give you a step-by-step template so you can customize and design your own school yoga program. Pretty cool, right? And so if you have any questions at all, if this is the right fit for you, please reach out to us at giselle@kidsyogastories.com. We would love to help you out, because ultimately we would love to see these customized school yoga programs going on in your school communities so that together we can transform school communities through yoga and mindfulness. Thank you so much for being here, and we truly hope that you join us on this journey.